Good morning dear students of grade 4th. So in today's video we are going to study about subject and predicate, which is a part of sentence, and kinds of sentence. So let's get started. So sentence. Let's start with sentence because we know that subject and predicate are the parts of sentence. So as we all know, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Whatever there are any group of words which are giving us full information about anything written there on the sentence, it is called a sentence. Okay, it always begins with a capital letter. We all know this, that a sentence always begins with a capital letter. For example, the baby is laughing, right? The baby is laughing is the example of any sentence. What the baby is doing? Baby is laughing. It is giving us full information about the baby, right? So next, coming on to parts of sentence, I have already summarized the things for you so that it would be very easy for you to understand. Okay, so a sentence have two parts, subject and predicate, right? Subject is a part of sentence that tell us about what the sentence is about. For example, the girls are not tired. Who are not tired? The sentence is about what? Girls. So subject will be the girls. Now let's have a look on the predicate, the part of sentence that tells us something about the subject. The girls are the subject, are not tired. What the girls are? Girls are not tired. So this part is telling us something about the subject, right? So this will be a subject which is telling us what the sentence is about, and this part is a predicate which is telling us something about the subject. Okay, so I think subject and predicate are also clear to you. So now there are two kinds of subject and command, which is you come here, you don't talk. To whom are we saying these things? You. We are pointing somebody out and then we are saying you come here, right? So we are using second person pronoun here. So you is the subject in the above sentences, right? Then subject in a question. What is subject in a question? Where is mother? To whom are we talking about? We are talking about mother. So mother will be the subject. We are asking that where is the mother? So mother will be the subject. Who are you? You. Who are we asking? We are asking to a person that who are you? Therefore you will be subject, right? So in the above sentences, mother and you are the subjects. So let's move on to kinds of sentences. Okay, so there are 5 kinds of sentences: assertive, negative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory, right? Assertive, we call assertive as declarative as well. Okay, so let's coming on to the first one, assertive sentence. When a sentence says or states something, then it will be an assertive sentence. Whenever we are saying anything, or we are stating something, or something is a natural truth, universal truth, then all those sentences will come under assertive sentence, right? For example, the sun rises from east. It is a universal truth that the sun rises from east. Therefore, it will be an assertive sentence. I like watermelons. I'm telling you something, I'm saying something. Therefore, it will come under assertive sentence, right? Next one, I think it's clear. Okay, so next one is negative sentence. A negative sentence is a sentence that has a not or no in it. I have highlighted the words not and no so that it would be very clear to you that in a sentence where it is not or no, it would be a negative sentence. For example, she is not sad. She has no money. No and not. Therefore, these sentences will be negative sentence. Now, let me show you how we can convert any sentence into negative one. You can observe one thing. I have mentioned helping verb, right? So, after the helping verb, we have used or we have put no or not, right? So to convert any sentence into negative one, we have to put no and not after the helping verb. Okay, so let's have a look on the note what I have written. To convert any sentences sentence into negative sentence, we place no or not after the helping verb. We know what are helping verbs, okay? I have mentioned it here. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, shall, etc. are the helping verbs. So how we can convert? There is a sentence, she is singing. Helping verb is, right? And singing is the action verb. Singing is also a verb, but it is a action verb. It is an action verb, therefore we'll put not after the helping verb. She is not singing. I hope it's clear how we convert the sentences. I'll be providing you the exercises through the worksheet, okay? Next one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative, you all know, is when somebody asks any question, right? So interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask questions. So, and therefore it ends with a question mark, okay? For example, what is your name? How old are you? Right? All these are ending with a question mark and therefore they are interrogative sentences. Now, how we convert the sentences into interrogative one? To convert any sentence into interrogative, I have to correct it. So we'll place its helping verb in the very first position. Again, we have to place the helping verb in the very first position in a sentence. For example, she is dancing. So is the helping verb, therefore we place is in the very first position. Is she dancing? And we'll put a question mark. Okay, I hope interrogative sentence and its conversion is clear to you. Now let's move on to the next. We have imperative sentences. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence requests, commands, or give directions. It usually begins with a verb. Okay, so imperative sentence consists of three things: request, commands, and directions. Okay, for example, switch off the fan. If I am saying this to someone, switch off the fan, I am ordering something or I am commanding something, right? Next one, please come to me. I am requesting someone. So requesting, commands, and directions comes under imperative sentence, right? I hope it's clear. Next one, exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotion. Okay, whatever we are feeling, like for example, I saw something very beautiful. I'll say, oh wow, what a beautiful picture it is. And I'll put an exclamation mark over there. Okay, so to identify any exclamatory sentence, we just have to check out the exclamation mark, whether it is there or not. If the exclamation mark is there in the sentence, that means the sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, for example, what a beautiful day it is. Exclamation mark. How fast is she running? Exclamation mark. If in the B part, this one, how fast is she running? If exclamation mark would not be there, it could be an interrogative sentence as well. How fast is she running? Question mark. कितनी तेज दौड़ रही है? How fast is she running? What is the speed at what she's running, right? So these were our sentences. I'll be providing you the worksheets to you. Okay. Stay tuned. Stay at home. Bye-bye. Take care. Okay.